So if you've just upgraded to the Apple Watch 11, here is how to transfer all your data from any of your old Apple Watch in minutes, quick and easy. Alright guys, if you open the Watch app and then go to All Watches, tap on the eye next to your old watch's name and scroll down from here. As you can see, you can unpair your old watch from here in case you want to sell it or give it away. But if you want to keep it along with the new one or you want to transfer it before you unpair this watch, just go back one step and hit Add Watch. And then you can hit Setup for myself. You can either scan the QR code in here or manually pair your Apple Watch. And then just go ahead, follow the prompts. Now, if you haven't unpaired it, you will get this exact prompt. Make this your new Apple Watch. And as you can see, all the apps, data, settings, everything was transferred to your new watch from the old one. Just hit continue. However, if you have unpaired your previous watch before transferring, you will get this prompt instead, from where you're going to select Restore and then just select the watch data that you want to transfer, just in case if you got multiple watch data in here. And then just go and follow the on-screen prompts. And you know what? Along the way, if you're prompted for a watch software update like us, just connect your watch to a charger and then install the software. And then just follow the rest of the setup prompts on our iPhone screen. Now, when it's completed, your new watch will start with all your previous watch data, including the watch face, the apps, and stuff like that. And that's it. That's the way you can transfer your old watch to your new Apple Watch 11. Thank you for watching.